Let's go! Second game tayo.
Okay, welcome Barangay Santa Lucia, SK League 2025 Volleyball Women's Division.
Good luck, ladies. Let's start. Coach Rayan. Good luck, ladies. First ball, mapupunta sa Tangerine.
Service from the black team.
Black team, sorry. Service area from the black team. Pancho. Black team. Let's go. Pancho on the serve. Give. Pero was there. Free ball. Para sa defending champion. Number 3, service. Inside.
Tangerine still on the service by Peralta. Nance.
Good serve. Manzana will receive. Coronel. Free ball. Martinez. Not over.
A single block by a contestant. Jersey number 1.
And a block there by Codese.
Coronel.
Coronel on the serve. Number 15 will receive. Martinez.
Tangerine. Number 15. Miranda Myla on the service.
Myla Miranda on the service area. Good serve outside. Service error. Charmaine. Nice try para sa Tangerine. Points sa black team. Tabla tayo. Charmaine Codese. Outside. Point para sa Tangerine. Not over. Tabla ulit tayo. Maika Figuracion at the serve. Ooh, not over. Service ace by Coach Maika Figuracion. Change favor lamang na ang black team ng isa. Malyari Turero. Ay na si Pancho. Uy! Ayan na. Free ball. Coronel. Pancho. Tabla tayo. Paano lang rin kasi mami.
Now service by Rasil
Calio. Free ball para sa block. Pancho, not over. Photos para sa Tangerine.
in favor. Cano.
Figuracion will receive. Coronel to Pancho at the back row.
Last day.
Ayun na si Junel.
Sorry lang, sorry. 7-5 by Tangerine.
My God.
Pancho Martinez. Ayari today. 8-5.
8-5.
Still served by Connor Brazil. Service A.
Service ace. Time out. Block him.
Timeout block.
Kaya na nakadal ng black team. Back to the ball game. Official score is 9-5 in favor of the defending champion.
Okay, shout out, Elijah de la Cruz. Still the service by Brazil.
Sano, Coronel, Figuracion, Martinez was there. Peralta! Ay, Peralta with a quick attack. Service ace para sa defending champion.
Start player number 2. Figuration.
Points by Coronel. 11-6.
Now on service by number 23, Manzano.
Manzano on the service.
Cat. Rogelio. Inside.
The service area. Malyari. Figuracion.
The Pancho. Point block.
Kudos para sa black team.
That was service by number 23.
Manzano.
Manzano Faye.
Peralta.
Babs. Nice day. Set. Peralta. Pancho. Point block.
Kudos para sa black. Ayun na, umahawal na ang black team.
That was service by number 23. Manzano Faye. Super outside.
Kudos para sa defending champion. Janelle. Oopsie.
And outside the top by Peralta. Point block team.
Kudos para sa black.
39 by Tangerine in favor. That was service by Pancho. Rodriguez.
Pancho. Oopsie, not over.
Go, Bobby!
Peralta on the serve. Figuracion on the set. Ako Desin. Malyari. Oopsie. Oh. Hey. Ano ba?
Okay, point for the black is 14-10. And people like Tangerine, now it's just like one that. Chance ball.
Free ball. Sa black. Coronel. Naitawid. Nice block there by Charmaine. Ako Desin.
Babawi mamaya si Martinez. Coronel. Chance ball. Pancho. Coronel. Ako Desin.
What a drop ball by Charmaine. Once again, back to back. Inside by Charmaine. Ako Desin. Ayun na. Uy. Naitawid. Ako Desin. Peralta. Tumay ka. Nayangat. Si Peralta. Martinez. Naitawid. Yun lang. Not over. Dos para sa black. Isa na lang para sa black team. Coronel on the service area. Chichi. Oh! Inside. Tabla tayo. Sa 14. Coronel on the service. Nayangat. Ayun na. Free ball. Chichi. 2. Nayangat. Dito ni Myla. Oh! What a drop by Chichi. Coronel. Lamang na ang mga lakay team. Coronel. Nayangat ni Peralta. Ayan na si Martinez. Martinez. Correction. Net touch po daw. 16-14. Coronel on the service. Para black. Why ako Desin. Ay ganda. Coronel on the serve. Nayangat ni Peralta. Drop ball. Chichi was there. Rona. Night of win. Oh! It's a check ball. Time out. Time out dito ang defending champion. Fisher scores 18-14 in favor of the black team. Nada ni Coach Peralta. Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game in favor black team 18-14.
18-14 in favor of the black team. Kaya natin kung makakahabol ang defending champion Chichi. Coronel. What a dig by Myla. Martinez. Naitawid. Pancho was there. Figuracion with the back. Inside. By Micah. Figuracion.
by Black.
Good serve.
Inside.
Maricol with a quick drop. Myla. Good serve. Pancho was there. Ayan na si Coach Micah. Not over. Tumantos para sa defending champion. Myla Miranda on the service. Oopsie. Error.
Point Tangerine. 19-17. In paper Black. Once again, position error.
Position error para sa Black. Puntos para sa Tangerine. 19-17. 2-point lead para sa Black.
Miranda Myla on the service.
Myla Miranda on the serve. Ayan na si Charmaine. Ayan na ni Peralta. Janelle Naitawid. Ayan na. Coronel to Charmaine. Nahabol yun. Sayang, hindi na yangat. Ni Janelle yun. Bola. 2017. Substitution. Ayan na si Coach JP Guila coming in para sa Black team. Charmaine, good serve. Peralta with a dig. Ayan na si Martinez. Puntos para sa defending champion.
Alcor Martinez on the service.
Alcor on serve.
Pancho.
Pancho will receive. Ayan na si Gula. Martinez. Yan na. Junel Rojero with a quick attack. Down by 1, 2019. Madikitan lang ang laban.
Okay, shout out, defensor. 1. And Elihan Nato. Ano pangalan nito? Elihan Nato. Ang Samuel.
On the serve, Pancho will receive. Ayan na si Coach JP. Martinez will receive. Ayan na si Janelle. Tabla tayo.
Ayan. Service by Maricor Martinez.
Good serve. Figurasyon. Naitawid ni Pancho. Uy! Net touch. By Malyari. Puntos para sa Black team. Balik ang kalamangan sa mga laki team. Figurasyon. Micah will serve. Nayangat ni number 14. Rojero with the hang time. Tabla tayo. Sa 21. Number 14 at the service. Good serve. Coach Micah will receive. Coronel. Oy! It's a net backline by Coronel. Puntos para sa defending champion. Ay na, balik ang kalamangan sa defending champion. Coronel to Pancho. Outside. Official score, 23.
And official score is the blinding 21 by the Tangerine in favor.
Yan natin, Nadal. Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga dating live. Ay, hello! Uy, thank you! Ay, grabe naman. Ano?
Deliver
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Double time out for the
Thank you.
block. This is the last time out for the
Ay,
block.
hindi na. Ano sa akin? Thank you po. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa Tombis Burger. Sa akin na pang-merienda. Alright, back to the ball game. 23-21 in favor of the defending champion. In the service area. Jersey number 14.
And David Gomez from Tobias. Last time daw ang happy.
Oy! Last one, match point para sa Tangerine.
David Gomez was again from Tobias.
And maraming salamat po sa Tombis Burger.
Breaker na from Tobias.
Ayun na, figurasyon, Coronel, Tupancho, Martires was there. Ayun na, si Peralta, Charming, Minalig, Nayangat. And that's the end of our first set. Panalo po ang Tangerine. Ay, sige po. Ayan, shoutout po. Thank you po ulit sa Tombis Burger. And also sa Avon Philippines, Santa Ana. Ayan, maraming salamat po. So tayo 25-21 sa pagtatapos ng first set. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Black Team. Sorry, wala pala akong boss.
Winning service. Oh! Magical number 1, Magikera. All 7. All 7. That was service.
Ilan na kayo?
Gonzaga, RD, 7. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya.
All 8, brother, sorry. Spray ball. Drop by Coronel.
On block check ball. That was service by number 2. Gura.
Putos para sa black.
Inside point block.
Putos para sa black.
10-8.
See.
Inside point block.
11-8. Wala JP on the service. Maricor, not over.
Not over point block.
JP Gula, the service. Miracle! With a quick attack.
1-26.
Puntos para sa defending champion. Number 5 on the service. RB was there. Pancho with the hand time. Ayan na. Whoa! Netas. Down by 2.
Also, winner of the first set is a decision set.
Ayan na. Inside. Service area.
Immersion. Now serves by figuration. Mika. Patrice.
Inside.
Still on the service by
Mika figurasyon. Uy!
Service error.
Not over.
Point Tangerine. Now service by number 26, Martinez, 94.
Maricor on the service. Pancho. Ayun na si Charmaine. Inside. Puntos para sa black. 15-11.
Substitution. Diba? Julie Vega.
Block ball by Jonel Rojero.
Nicole on the service.
Oh, inside.
Service by Nicole. Number 2.
Okay, timeout. Black team.
Timeout. Black team. And shout out, Wagner. Bruno, Wagner. Masisera ang buhay mo.
Teo, sarap no?
Kung sino man po ang merong taxi, pwede po makainan. Saan kanina po? Kung pwede na po makainan. Charge na po yung ano.
Ito.
Kung sino man ang magandang loob dyan, pwede po mayroon ng taxi.
Ay, sorry. Coach! Boy, ganyan na to, boy. Doon sa kanil. Siya na.
Net-touch by Acodesi.
Touch by Acodesin. Puntos para sa Tangerine. Not over. Puntos para sa Black.
Okay. Point block. Now service by Patrice Pancho, number 7.
Patrice Pancho.
Nice
Service. Ayan na, Peralta! Check ball.
Nice attack by Peralta Babs. Now on service. Kat Magyari.
Kat Nalyari on the serve.
Nice hit. Sa batang
Charmaine! Night with Pancho was there. Cornell to Charmaine. Naiangat.
chance
Free
ball.
ball.
Ay! Pinakabantay. Ayan na! Outside. Attack by Junel Rojero.
17-15.
17-15 by Black in favor.
Uy!
Check ball.
Check ball from
Check ball.
Black.
Point Black. 18-15.
Charmaine Nacodesin on the service. Outside.
Inside!
Oh, inside.
Inside!
Inside daw sabi ng ating referee.
From the Black team. Mukhang may decision set dito ang galon. On ang third set. Secret
Outside.
Now in service by Junel Rojero.
Rojero on the service. And over. Puntos para sa Black. 20-16. RB Manzano on the service. Ayan na si Marcor!
Point Black, 21-16. 21-16 by the Black in favor.
Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng third set.
RB, series.
Ayan na.
Stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line.
Crossing. Point. Timeout. Tangerine timeout.
Time out, Tangerine. Hindi natin ang adel ng Black Team. Official score 22-16 in favor of the Black Team. po.
And of course,
Ayan na. Uy!
Miss Chia Kapampangan, siyempre.
Chance ball.
Abangan natin ang mga highlights.
They're up. Rojero was there. Peralta! Outside. Sorry.
Okay, let's end with Michael Laiva from NAPP is the champ towel of Florida.
Thank you po.
Of course, the super highlights by Gia Kapampangan. Please like and share and accept para makita nyo ang mga highlights.
Ayan na. Nice shot there by Maricor.
Max Peralta on the service.
23-17. Peralta outside. Ayan na, set point tayo. JP Gula on the service. Marco will receive. Rojero to Maricor. Oy! Oy! Inside ba? Parang pasok eh. Review niya lang po sa akin live. Parang pasok eh. Good, good. Tingnan natin ang ating referee. Oh, points para sa Tangerine.
Point for Tangerine. And set point,
Last one para sa Black. 24-18. One stop para sa Black to get their first set. Ayan na, Coronel. Pancho. Naitawid. Free ball. Maricor. Charmaine. Coronel. Tumaka! Nayangat ni Maricor. Ayan na. Charmaine. Coronel. Rojero. Umahabol na ang Tangerine. Time out. Dito ang Black team. Time out muna. Ang Black. Pupunta na kami dito ng Tommy's Burger. Salamat po sa Tommy's Burger.
Meron tayong team dito, bawal ng volleyball dyan. Clarky, and Chess.
Okay, basketball game.
Sa Tuesday, mag-practice kayo.
One stop para sa Black.
Set point once again from the Black team.
Let's go.
Kung manalo ang Black,
Kaya natin kung makakahabol dito. Ang defending champion. Pancho. Naingat ni Peralta. Rojero to Martinez. Ayan na. Umahabol na ang defending champion. Down by 4. Good serve. Charmaine. Coronel to Pancho. Nayangat. Maricor. Coronel. Nako po, nakanganib.
kailangan siya service lang ng number 5.
Ayan na. Number 5 on the service. Good serve. JP. Coronel to Coach Micah. Nayangat ni Peralta. Rojero. Maricor. Charmaine. Coronel to Pancho! Hindi umabot ng tira ni Pancho doon. Ayan na, umabot na. ang defending champion. Let's go, good
Good
service.
service, para naman sa
Coronel. Ako Desert! We have a centering. Woo! Nalagnas doon.
Please proceed to the committee table.
Okay. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third set lamang winner of the set number 2 ang Lucky. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating winning
How many
game